Welcome back to another XDP Manufacturer Q&A. In this one, I'm joined by Justin from S&S Diesel to go over some of the differences between the DCR Conversion Kit and the CP4 Disaster Prevention Bypass Kit. We'll ask some questions and get some answers straight from the manufacturer to help you make a more informed decision when it comes to these kits. So Justin, what does each option actually do?
So what we consider to be the least expensive option, the disaster prevention kit, it protects from the problem, or guards or protects your fuel system from the CP4 from that problem. The DCR pump conversion, it gets rid of the problem before it even becomes one. So that's the main two differences. In our opinion, this is the best solution, but this is still a really good stopgap measure.
Now, in what case would you recommend the disaster prevention kit?
Well, why we feel that the DCR is the best solution. Sometimes the best solution isn't always needed. The disaster prevention kit saves you quite a bit of money. This is only $400, and it will protect your fuel system. It won't protect your CP4 from failing, but it will protect your fuel system if your CP4 does fail. So it's a cheap insurance policy. If you can afford to have your truck down, then the disaster prevention kit's also a great option, because then all you'll need to do is replace the pump if it does fail. So those are, I guess you could say, some of the scenarios where a disaster prevention kit would be the better option.
Now, when would you suggest the DCR pump conversion?
So with the DCR pump conversion being the best option in our opinion, a perfect scenario is first responders. If you can't afford for your truck to be down, or hot shot drivers where you're making your money off of your truck and you can't afford for it to be down, you lose money, or if someone loses their life because the truck went down, then the DCR is the best option. There's fleets of ambulances running DCRs for that reason. If you want to save yourself a little bit of money, you can go with the disaster prevention kit first, and if your pump does fail, then you can put a DCR in it. That's all you would need to replace.
Now, what is the install time and difficulty level when it comes to each kit?
Well, it varies on the, skill level of who's installing it. Crazy enough, we've had technicians report that they can do a full DCR install in 2 hours. That's crazy fast in our opinion, but that's one of the claims that we've had. On the other end of it, it could take a shade tree mechanic a full weekend to do it. In terms of comparing one to the other, you don't have to do a lot of extra work to install a DCR, because a big part of the installation process is getting a lot of the stuff out of the way. So if you're already down to get to the fuel pump, it doesn't take much longer to go all the way. So I'd say roughly on average 8 hours for a DCR install, 4 to 6 hours on a DPK install, rough estimate.
If I already have the disaster prevention kit installed on my truck, can I still go ahead and switch over to the DCR pump?
Absolutely. Now, the disaster prevention kit isn't necessarily compatible with the DCR, but that's kind of the natural progression of things. If you want to save yourself a little bit of money, you can go with the disaster prevention kit first, and then either if your pump fails, you go with the DCR, or if you just want that peace of mind and never have to worry about it again, then you can install a DCR as well.
Is there any additional advice or information that you want to give to people that are looking at either one of these kits?
I don't think there's a wrong decision on going with a disaster prevention kit versus a DCR pump conversion. It's customers' personal preferences, your budget and how you use your truck. The only wrong decision, in my opinion, is to run a CP4 without any type of protection.
So when it comes to these kits, it really comes down to your situation. We hope this video helps you make a more informed choice, and we thank Justin from S&S for taking the time to answer our questions. To learn more and get the kit that's right for your truck, head on over to XDP today.